Hello, welcome to Cooking with Mahtab channel. Let's see together how to make a very delicious Bandari sausage. To make a great Bandari sausage, you should use a lot of onions. Slice your onions into thin strips. I use 2 large onions. Now slice your sausages diagonally for a more appealing look. I use 250 grams of sausage. Pour some oil into a suitable pan and sauté the sliced onions until they are fully fried and caramelized. As shown in the video, add turmeric, black pepper, and its main spice, red pepper, to taste. Sauté for about 2 minutes. Now add a heaping tablespoon of tomato paste. Stir until the paste releases its color and becomes vibrant. Once the raw taste of the paste is gone, add the sausages and sauté until they are fully fried and all ingredients are well combined. Sauté for another 5 minutes. Add salt as needed. Then turn off the heat, pour into your serving dish, and enjoy. This is a very delicious, nostalgic, and tasty sandwich. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as well. I would appreciate it if you follow and like my channel and stay with me.